Hey guys, and here today we have this nice beautiful Mazda 3, and in this video I'll show you how to replace a battery in this car. So it's very simple procedure. What you have to do, you have to pop the trunk, find the latch, move to the right, find the stand, put the car on the stand. Sorry. So here we have our battery. Right now the battery is being held down to the frame of the car by a bracket. So this right here, as you can see, these two nuts, this nut and this nut, and there are these links that hold down the battery to the car. We will start by doing this. We'll start by removing cables from the battery. So first thing I'm gonna remove cable from the terminal. Just loosen them up. And get them out of our way. Okay, second thing, we'll remove this one. Okay, and same way, take it off and take it to the side. Next step, we'll have to remove loosen this nut. Okay, so same way, like you can do this. Just press on it and move to the side and get it out. Okay, looks I'm gonna have to loosen this nut also a little bit. And we are able to get the battery out. To get the bracket out. Simple. Next step. Our battery right now is movable, so in case if you have to change it, you just take it out, take this housing around it, take it off, put it on the new battery, and remove and switch batteries. So you just take it out, put the new battery in. Battery is very heavy, so be careful when you deal with it. When you buy a new battery, make sure the terminals are the way they are right now. So positive is on the top left corner. Okay, when you buy a new battery, it's always a good thing just to trade in your old battery. They're gonna give you some money for it. So you buy a new one, give the old one, they're gonna give you like 5, 10 to 15 bucks for your old battery, and you are pretty much all set. So once you have the new battery in, same way we have to connect it to the car with the bracket. So again, let's put this in. Right over here we have to find the right position. 1 second. We have, okay, get it in there, and this one, get it here. Okay, now we will tighten them up. After that, we take terminals, put them on the battery. When you buy a new battery, the battery is going to come with covers, so make sure you take those covers off. The cover is going to be on the battery. You take them off, put both terminals, and tighten up these nuts, this one and this one. Once you tighten everything up, at this point everything is done. So guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button. Have a great day. Bye.